These two PMP exam question, if you cannot solve, you must reschedule your exam. They are one of the most interesting and important question. So let's go with the question. Always use a 7-step formula. If the question is more than 3-liner, read the last line first. However, the team continues to meet its short-term commitment. Which stage of a team development is the most likely experiencing? Most likely is a keyword here. You are managing a cross-functional project team that was recently expanded to include member from a newly acquired company. Team meetings are characterized by frequent disagreement over priorities and approaches. Several members openly challenge decisions made by others, and discussions often became emotionally charged. However, the team continues to meet its short-term commitment. So now, when you read the question slowly, understand the keyword, put in the comment what was the keyword in this question. And now let's go with the option. Option A, forming. Option B, storming. Option C, knobbing. Option D, performing. We know when the team is new, so it looks like from the first two line the question that it is a forming stage. But as you go to line number 3, we get frequent disagreements and several members are challenging. It does not happen in forming. So forming is not the answer, eliminated. Option B, storming. Now, this is a characteristic of a storming stage that you have the conflicts here. So yes, it looks like storming, but I will keep that answer and move to it. Then norming. It's not a norming. Team does not understand habits of each other. So let's go to option number D, that is performing. The team is not an ideal stage. So if we go with the elimination technique, the only answer is dot 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 storming. So what answer you put into that? So that's your question number 1. Did you answer it right or wrong? Put in the comment. I would love to know. Now comes the question number 2. Now this question is very interesting. Let's read the last line first. What should you do next? That's what the question is asking. You are managing a hybrid project with cross-functional team. During a daily stand-up, two senior engineers argue openly. One say that other keep breaking the builds, and the conversation turns personal. After the meeting, two team junior members privately message you. They no longer feel safe raising issues and will just do what they are told. Now here the team is having a conflict. So what you are gonna do here? Let's look at the options. You already must have identified the keywords. Very important. A, escalate the behavior of their functional manager to enforce professionalism. Escalation is one of the last thing you do, so that is not the answer. Facilitate a private conversation between two engineers. Focus on root cause and working agreement that reinforce team norms with